Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox on your PC. So there are two methods to download. The first method is to go to your browser and then here you need to search for roblox.com and then make sure that you are signed into your account, and after that you need to click on any server and then click on this play icon. So after that it will check that if you have downloaded a Roblox. So here you can see the download and install Roblox button. You need to click on it and here you can see that the download has been started. Now if I go to my downloads, you can see that the launcher has downloaded. Now the other method is by doing it on Microsoft Store. If you go to your Microsoft Store and here you need to search for Roblox, and from here you need to click on install, and this will start downloading Roblox on your PC. These were the two methods by which you can download Roblox on your PC. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.